Squirrel in the tree, is he watching me? Does he give a damn? Does he care who I am? I'm just a man, is that all I am? All my manners, misinterpreted words are only human, I'm human. Murderous crow, hey, what you know? What you raving about? What you hold in your toes? Is that a twig? Are you a dove apiece? Black dove undercover with another puzzle piece. Are you a riddle to solve all along, or am I overthinking thoughts? I'm human after all, only human. Made of flesh, made of sand, made of human. The planet's talking about a revolution. The natural laws ain't got no constitution. They've got a right to live their own life, but we keep paving over paradise, 'cause we're only human. Oh yes we are. Only human. If it's our only excuse, how do we think we'll keep on being only human? Oh yes we are. Only human. So far, so far. Up in the major's tree, the one he planted back when he was just a boy, back in 1923. 30 meters and a foot, take a look, take a climb. What you'll find is the product of a seed. The seed is sown all alone, it grows above, with the heart of love, a sharpened shelter of the animals of land and cold weather breathing. We're all breathing. The planet's talking about a revolution. The natural laws ain't got no constitution. They've got a right to live their own life, but we keep paving over paradise, 'cause we're only human. Oh yes we are. Only human. If it's our only excuse, how do we think we'll keep on being only human? Oh yes we are. I'll climb that tree, and I will have to give my thanks for giving me the branch to swing on. If I ever fall in love, I'll hope to give myself a baby. I will let my children have their way, because we're only human. Oh yes we are. Try to picture the girl through a looking glass and see her as a carbon atom. See her eyes and stare back at them. See that girl as her own new world. Though a home is on the surface, she is still a universe. Glory God, oh God is peeking through the blinds. Are we all here standing naked, taking guesses at the actual date and time? Oh my, justifying reasons why is an absolutely insane resolution to live by. Live high, righteously, taking it easy, live high, live mighty, live righteously. And try to picture the man to always have an open hand, and see him as a given tree. See him as matter, a matter of fact, he's not a beast. Oh no, not the devil either, always a good deed doer.